storm is coming. North Carolina.
So many things had happened.
Very famous for its sunsets.
It is stormy.
All right, we're getting fuel here before we get into North Carolina. We're at a Sheetz diesel, and I gotta tell you, there's fuel prices here that I have not seen in a very long time. You gotta check this out. $2.89. That helps out a lot while you're on the road with your expenses. Good afternoon, gang. We made it here to Lake Gaston in North Carolina. We're at the Thousand Trails Campground Resort here, and I use that word strategically. This place truly is a resort. It's super nice. We're here at the marina, as you can see behind me, and it is got the store there. It has the store there, and it has fuel for your boat, and even some of these campsites here, if you're lucky enough to get them, are right on the water, and they have a stunning view. So we're taking you along with us. I just want to tell you this: we're so glad that you are here, and if you're enjoying this content, I would ask that you would consider hitting that like and the subscribe button as well. All right, let's go.
All right. Day 3 here at Lake Gaston Campground, and we really want to go kayaking, but there's just one problem, and that problem is it is stormy. We've got a little break, and we're going to go down and check what the lakeshore looks like. Stormy and cold, so it's not the best weather. It's not the best weather to put in a kayak right now. It is incredibly stormy out here. Just gonna have to see if we can get a break.
Two days ago, when the weather was gorgeous, we were just not in the frame of mind to get the kayak out. So many things had happened. We had computer problems. We've started a YouTube channel, all the tech problems that go with that.
Learning curve.
Wayne's poor computer just couldn't handle editing videos, so that crashed quite a few times, and we finally ended up going and buying an Apple computer, which is another learning curve because we've been PC users since day one. So we just weren't ready to go kayaking a couple days ago. We were kind of holed up into the rig when it was beautiful outside, and now we're all caught up. We feel pretty good. We're ready, and here we have this storm. So not a good kayaking day.
Yeah, the weather's really coming in. Waves are getting choppy, and where we want to go is about a mile down this arm, and getting there would be nice because it's with the wind, but coming back it's against the wind, and I think it's going to be stormy and rainy, so it doesn't look like it's going to happen.
So Plan B.
Plan B.
Maybe pickleball. If it doesn't rain, this is great weather for pickleball.
What about bowling?
No, bowling is in a couple days.
Oh, okay.
So.
Yeah, so whatever we do, we're going to take you along with us.
Yeah, and we'll go eat.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Nice.
We'll see what happens. So I Googled this place. I just Googled pickleball near me, and this is what came up. So let's take a look at what we got here.
Doesn't look like there's anybody in there. Maybe we'll find a doubles.
The Warren
Your
County
destination is on the right.
Recreation Complex.
Wow, really nice,
The
Valerie.
court looks good. There's no cracks. The only problem is there's no fence around it. So when you miss a shot as much as we do, and you got to go run after the ball. But is it worth coming back to play?
Yeah, looks really nice.
All right, well, if the weather holds out and it doesn't rain, it should be good.
And they have a cheering section.
And they have a cheering section right there. All right, very good.
Beautiful here.
Let's go get something to eat because I'm a little too hungry to play, and then we'll come back and give it a shot.
Right on.
Here we go.
All right, we're here at the Whistle Stop Diner. What town are we in?
Norlena, North Carolina.
There you go. It's pretty jammed here on a Monday afternoon, and it looks like the food is going to be really good, so we'll let you know. All right, I got the bacon cheeseburger with beer-battered onion rings, and Valerie got,
Philly
cheesesteak. Oh, that looks really good.
Yeah.
Norlena, North Carolina. One of the best meals we've had in a really long time. Very tasty. Storm is coming. Really groovy little town here.
Well, unfortunately, no pickleball for us today.
No pickleball.
It rained. It's raining.
We got stormed out here on Lake Gaston and in the town of Littleton.
Bummer. But you know, hopefully it will clear up a little bit later and we can go for a nice long walk, because I don't know about you, but I really need to get moving.
You need some exercise.
I need some exercise.
We need our exercise. However, well, it's probably because we do need exercise, but we just had one of the best meals we've had in a very long time.
Yeah, lunch was good in a quiet little town in North Carolina, Norlena. It was Rachel's Whistle Stop in Norlena.
Yeah, that was really, really good.
Little southern diner, very good food. So I'm glad we went, but I do need some exercise.
All right, well, we'll see what we can do.
Yeah. We've really enjoyed our stay here at Gaston Lake, or Gaston Lake. Have we figured out how to pronounce that yet?
No, I say Gaston.
Okay, I think it's
Because
Gaston.
it makes me sound like I know what I'm talking about.
But yeah, the lake, we get lots of boaters here and seasonal campers. So the only downside that I can see is that most of the sites do not have sewer or full hookups. So we lucked out because we're here a little past the season, past Labor Day, so we did get a full hookup site. So we're just really loving it here. But that is the only downside, that you would have to go dump or get a honey wagon truck to come dump. But other than that, it's just great. You got water, you've got trees. It's quiet for the most part, so we love it.
Hey all, I want to cut in here for a moment and talk about our audio-video system inside the coach. You know, Tiffin buses usually come with 4 TVs, right? 3 in the living area and 1 outside. But since we only had 1 TV in our 3,000 square foot house, we thought it was a little overkill, and we ordered our motorhome without the 4th TV in the front cab area. It's a long story of optic cables not working, more of our TVs dying, and moving TVs around the rig. But we find ourselves now here on our 3rd replacement unit, which is kind of funny since we don't really watch that much TV in the first place. We decided not to replace the outside TV, and I'm going to turn that area into an extra storage space for my tools. We love our Tiffin, there's no doubt about that, but the wiring that's inside the coach is just a big rat's nest. I took some time to remove all the wires and cables that we didn't need and organize what remained, so it will be much easier to troubleshoot in the future. We now have 2 new working TVs and are pretty happy with the outcome.
Take the next right onto Black Pond Road.
All right, look at that weather up there. We did get a small break, but
it is coming back fierce. We're going to have thunderstorms here for the next 24 hours.
Continue for 4 miles.
So instead of putting our kayak on the water, the lake, and here at Lake Gaston, we're going to the bowling alley.
Yeah, we haven't been bowling in about 6 weeks or so, which is a long time for us. We like to go a couple times a month. So Wayne is a very good bowler. He will definitely beat me. He always beats me. So, but
No, that's not true.
No, I mean, maybe twice maybe I've beaten you. But
Yeah.
we always have fun. It's always fun. So we found a bowling alley not too far in Roanoke Rapids, which is about 20 miles away. So we're going to go have some fun.
Yeah, it should be fun. And we're leaving here tomorrow morning, so a nice way to spend our last remaining time here.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you at the alley. Getting stormy out here again. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. We just left our site at Gaston, or Lake Gaston Lake.
Gaston.
We just left our site at Lake Gaston, a 1,000 Trail site. It was good. It was a different kind of stay.
Yes.
It was it was beautiful. I mean, the lake, it was nice to, we thought it would be a little bit more active. But for the first 2 days when the weather was gorgeous, we had work to do and we just were not in the right frame of mind. And when we were all caught up, it just rained for a couple days, more than a couple days, and we couldn't get out. So it was just different. Okay, but different. Nice to walk around the park. We took a nice long walk, but I think I am in the mood to get some good exercise.
Yes.
We are on our way to Falls Lake State Recreation Area in Durham, North Carolina. So we don't have very far to drive today, and we're gonna go to Durham to see our nephew that we haven't seen in years. So that's the nice thing about RV travel, is that you can connect with people you haven't seen. So we're really looking forward to that. And we'll take you along with us.
Good morning, all. It's day 2 here at Falls Lake State Recreation Area, and we are going kayak. It's a perfect day for this, and I'm just going to show you what our kayak looks like, show you the setup, how easy it is, and we'll be on the water real soon. Only takes a few minutes to set up. Okay, a little bit of a workout. Warmer today, about 80 degrees right now. That's a good idea. Valerie just reminded me I need to take the antenna off, which is very convenient because our antenna is just a screw-on on this Jeep Cherokee. Okay. All right, that's it. We're off to the lake. Okay, here we go. You ready, Valerie? Cast off. It's very smooth out here. The lake is enormous, but we'll be exploring a small part of it today.
Well, I'm so glad we made the effort to get the kayak out today. We couldn't have asked for a better day. Just very calm. We enjoyed it immensely. And so now we pack up. We're not going to fold it up and deflate and dry it all out. I think we'll just take it back to the campsite and hopefully go on another day. Maybe in a couple days it will be just as beautiful as today. Good morning, everyone. Well, that wraps up our time in Falls Lake, North Carolina. It was good to be able to see our nephew and his wife and 2 kids. It's been years since we've seen them, and they live on the East Coast and we lived on the West Coast, so that's a nice thing about RV travel, is that it affords us the ability to see family and friends that we have not been able to connect with before, so that was good.
Hi, Chris and Christy.
Hi.
June and Wells.
Yes. So now we are on our way to South Carolina. We've never been to South Carolina. So this is the Low Country. We're going to Yemassee, South Carolina, which is a small town, but it does sit about an hour south of Charleston and about an hour north of Georgia. So we'll be able, Savannah, Georgia. So we'll be able to visit those 2 major cities. And we have a long drive today. We usually don't drive more than a couple hundred miles, but today is a little over 300, so we'll have to take lots of stops. We got an early start.
How many hours is that?
I don't know, because we stop too much. We stop a lot and to break up the trip, and we're going to actually stop and have lunch somewhere also. So, long drive today, and we will see you when we get there. Thank you for watching, and we will catch you next time.
And remember to smash that like button if you're enjoying this content.
And subscribe. Thank you.